Hello everyone, welcome to CADD Nest. And also, I welcome you all to Teacher's Tip. And I'm Pavitra, I'm back with another tip. So guess the tip? The tip is all about how to edit a PDF file without converting that into your Word document. This might be useful for the teachers who want to send their notes in the form of PDF to the students and want to make changes in your PDF file. Let's get into that video. To do that, you have to download one of the application called as Ice Cream PDF Editor. So go for this. It will give you a many link address. Out of this, select Ice Cream PDF Editor Download. Once you get into this, scroll down and here you'll find the option called as Free Download. So click on this box so that it will download you a setup file. Wait for a while until it downloads. So once it is done downloaded, you will get a setup file in this corner. Click on this setup file just to install the software for the usage. So it will ask you for the confirmation. Go for agreeing as yes, and then it will ask for the language. Select the language that you want to use and go for I accept the agreement and next, so that it will get downloaded into your PC. So once it's done downloading, you will have that software on your desktop. Go for opening your software and it will take you into the actual software wherein you can edit the file, wherein you can make the changes in your PDF file which is already there. So I have to select the PDF file which is already there and I have to make changes in it. Go for open. It will ask you to open the file which you have to edit. So select the file which you want to edit and go for open. So it will be opened into your document. So herein I can find a file, edit, insert pages, setting and help, all the menus. For today I'll be telling a very basic tools for the day. For this I'll go for annotate, wherein I have multiple options to edit my PDF file. So in this, first thing is you can add text elements into your PDF. So scroll down here, I'll go for add text elements. You can select the font color that you want to add and drop and drag so that you'll have the text box into your PDF. You can enter your text here. If you want to give bold look or italic, underline, alignments, all these can be done with the help of these shortcuts here itself. Next to this, I have a stamp, marking of a stamp. I can mark down as accepted or disclaimed, withdrawn, finished, completed, so and so, whatever is there. So I'll go for making this appear on this corner. So it will be appearing on this corner wherever I place, click and drag it. And then as highlight text, you can highlight the important informations in your PDF also. You can choose the colors as well. And if you want to underline any text, select this. Go for underlining your important informations in the required color. And if you want to strike through, go for strike through and you can strike down the information so it will get striked. And you can underline, that is a wavy underline can be provided. Select the portion and it will be underlined in wavy manner. If you want to add any of the shapes, go for add rectangle and I'll add the rectangle here. So herein, if you want to write something inside this, again go for the text, select the text box and you can write the text inside the box or inside your rectangle. Same wise, I can apply a circle, and for this circle I can write something text with the help of text, applying that into this and writing something in the circle. I can add different line sets, so I can draw a line here. That's it. And then for that, if you want to change colors or if you want to increase the size of your underlining, you can do that as well. And same wise, you can use arrow mark. So here have accepted this, so I'll draw an arrow mark and show it. If you want to change the color, you can change the color as well. And then you'll have a pencil. With the help of pencil, if you want to write something, you can write that also. And then with the help of eraser, you can erase. And in the insert menu, I can go for inserting any images that I have to insert into this PDF. I'll go for logo. Select this and open so that this logo will get inserted into my PDF. You can increase or decrease the size, or you can place this to any corner of the sheet and you're good to go. And this way you will also see pages and setting all these things in our next video. Thanks for watching. For more of the updates, keep watching our channel. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.